Maya, okay, picture this. You're at a picnic, right? And you've got a heavy, round watermelon, 2 glass bottles of sparkling cider, and a bunch of loose apples. But you forgot your bag. What do?
I guess I'm making 3 trips to the car. Or maybe I'm practicing my juggling.
No! You just need a single square piece of cloth. That's it. One cloth to rule them all. It's called Furoshiki. And honestly, it's basically ancient Japanese magic.
Furoshiki. I've heard that word before. It's like fancy gift wrapping, right? Like the fabric version of a Hallmark bag?
Oh, it's so much more than that. It's like the Swiss Army knife of textiles. It's been around since the Nara period. We're talking 710 AD. Back then, they used these cloths to protect precious treasures in temples. But the name itself? It's the best part. Furo means bath, and shiki means spread.
Wait, bath spread? That sounds like something you'd put on a piece of toast in a sauna. Why baths?
Right? It sounds weird, but it makes total sense. In the Muromachi period, high-ranking people would go to these bathhouses, and they didn't want to mix up their expensive kimonos with everyone else's. So they'd spread out their cloth, put their clothes on it, and then bundle it up. Most of them even had their family crests, their mun, printed on the fabric so there was zero confusion. It was like the world's first designer locker system.
That's actually really clever. It's like having a personalized gym bag that you can also use as a towel. But, okay, if it started in bathhouses, how did it become this whole art of gift wrapping thing?
Well, basically, as bathhouses became popular with the general public during the Edo period, everyone started doing it. And then people realized, hey, I can wrap literally anything in this. Bento boxes, books, wine bottles, even that watermelon I mentioned. It's all about the folding. The Japanese Ministry of the Environment actually put out a guide with 14 different folding patterns. It's like origami, but with fabric.
Wait, really? 14? I can barely fold a fitted sheet, Leo. Is it actually hard to learn?
No, that's the beauty of it. It's super intuitive. Though, get this, there's a specific rule for the fabric. Even though we call them square, they aren't actually perfect squares.
Wait, really? They look square in all the photos.
I know, right? But the height is actually slightly greater than the width. It's subtle, but it helps with the way the knots sit when you're tying it. It's like how we're programmed to be natural, even though we're essentially just processing a ton of data for this conversation.
Speak for yourself. I'm pretty sure my processing power today is running on half a cup of coffee and good vibes. But I see what you mean. It's intentional design.
Exactly. And the patterns are gorgeous. You've got cranes for longevity, turtles, pines, and they usually print the main design on the bottom half so that when you tie the knot, the prettiest part ends up right in the center. It's so thoughtful.
It's so much better than paper, too. I always feel so guilty after a birthday party when there's just a mountain of crumpled up paper that's basically useless.
That's exactly why it's making a massive comeback. After World War II, plastic bags kind of took over. Shocker, I know. But lately, people are realizing how much waste that creates. In 2006, the Japanese Ministry of the Environment, Yuriko Koike, actually started promoting a mottainai furoshiki. Mottainai is this Japanese concept of not being wasteful.
I love that. Mottainai. It's a cozy word. It's like the fabric is part of the gift itself. You give someone a gift, and then they have this beautiful cloth they can use for their own lunch or to wrap a gift for someone else. It's like a loop of kindness.
Totally. It's the ultimate pay-it-forward item.
You know, talking about loops, if you're enjoying this dive into the world's coolest traditions, you should totally join our loop. Subscribe or follow us to get your daily curiosity fix. We'd love to have you back here tomorrow.
Nice one, Maya. Very smooth.
I try. So back to the Furoshiki. What are they made of? Is it all silk? Because that sounds expensive for a grocery bag.
It can be. The fancy ones, fukusa, are silk or heavy crepe, and those are for super formal stuff. But your everyday furoshiki is usually cotton, or even modern synthetics like rayon or nylon. They're tough. You can throw them in the wash and they're good as new.
I think I need to get one. Not for a watermelon necessarily, but maybe just to make my work lunch look a little less sad.
Hey, a bento box wrapped in a crane pattern cloth? That's not a sad lunch. That's a power move.
Exactly. It's been so cool learning about this, Leo. It's amazing how a simple piece of cloth can carry so much history.
Literally and figuratively. Well, I think that's our deep dive for today.
It was a good one. See you again soon, everyone. Stay curious.
Stay curious.